Dean was I buy cool stuff, and I do. So let's get into this video. So I've got a truck and I've got all my stuff in it, on it. We've already covered it. See, I buy cool stuff. I buy cool stuff. So the other day I'm going down the road and I hear a whack and this window gets knocked out. So I have cut me a piece of plexiglass to put in there. So I'll show you what it entailed. So luckily my brother had a sheet of plexi. This is the thin stuff, like 1/8 of an inch or so. And so it was a 4x4 sheet. So I took and I measured it and I cut a piece 13 5/8 by the 4 foot. And then I had Grace get on the inside of the truck and she drew with the Sharpie on the inside. I measured on the outside, cut it off again with the circular saw. Don't recommend it. She pops and kicks back and all kinds of stuff. And then to shape the ends, I use the old school body grinder, angle grinder, die grinder, whatever you want to call it. I use that to round the corners. So on this window, it was $500 to get a new window. And Barry had the plexiglass. I had the tools and the time. So there's a lip right here, and that plexi is going to sit on that lip where the glass did. We're going to put a bead of silicone around there. We're going to put the plexi in, and then the rubber seal is just going to tuck back in on the outside. So if you break the window out on your topper, fix it. Don't look silly and put a piece of cardboard or plywood or whatever up in there. Fix it right. Fix it so it looks decent. Plexi's cheap. Lots of used plexi around because of the COVID paranoia. And fix it. So like I always say, God bless you and God bless America. Fix them problems you got. Don't let them look silly and stupid, and get things done right.